just getting the words up now. Sorry, we're cool, we're good.
We'll do first time, we'll hit this on first time.
We are going to hit it first time.
Lift your finger up when it's recording.
I will.
Don't try over-sing, don't try over-sing.
I won't. Little Ragged Annie, she could have been a star. Begged for scraps of tables, no strings on her guitar. We both grew up with nothing but a pocket full of dreams. Though as the years unfolded, it ripped us at the seams. Wandering round the sideshow, drinking juice and gin. Missed the main attraction, late for class again. Remember when we skipped school, the circus came to town. Got so drunk and crazy, and he acted like a clown. I heard her sing a song once, it brought them to their feet. Devil never warned her, she'd wind up on the street. Crying in the darkness, her sisters shining bright. They're lost on the main drag, she ain't going home tonight. Travelling on a journey, she thought she'd found a friend. Led her to the dark side, that's where the friendship ended. Sold her down the river for a pocket full of blue. Left her in the pitch black, hey, that ain't nothing new. She never knew what love was, I guess she never did. Even when the cop said, shape up, lose your kid. That's so long ago now, she's turning tricks for crack. So far down the bad road, she thinks there's no way back. Drink round the sideshow, drinking juice and gin. Miss the main attraction, she's late for class again. Crying in the darkness, her sisters shining bright. They're lost on the main track, she ain't going home tonight. Heard along the grapevine that Annie passed away. Her lights stopped out in the dead of night, no more cards to play. No mourners at a funeral, not one kind word to say. But I remember Annie, in my heart she's gonna stay. Wandering round the sideshow, drinking juice and gin. Miss the main attraction, she's late for class again. Dying in the darkness, her sister's out of sight. Lying in the shadow, ain't ever gonna see the light. Milosevic. Milosevic, you can join in the chorus, but you